Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to ForgottenWeapons.com. I just have a quick little announcement for you today. The merch team has come up with some new goodies for everybody. So we have, we have some cool little enamel pins. See if that'll focus on that. That's something people have actually been asking for quite a while. So we now have those. We have some drinkware. So we have a cool Forgotten Weapons pint glass. I can definitely make use of that. And there was something else they put in here. Oh my, a beer stein. This can only mean one thing. I don't drink beer a lot, but I know how this is supposed to be done. So, opener. I don't have my bottle opener. No. Shoot. My Galil does not have a bayonet. That doesn't work. Or a bipod. That's... I knew they made that rifle for a good reason. Enjoy! I've got a link where you can pick up all of our cool swag, the new stuff and the old stuff, in the description text below.